Students of class 10 and 12 in West Bengal won't have final exams, will be allowed to pass, says Mamata Banerjee. Maharashtra school reopening, e-learning to continue despite physical classes. Gujarat to reopen higher secondary schools and colleges from November 23rd. %34% attendance in a Haryana government school in a week. Unrelated photos go viral, linking them to the recent school blast in Peshawar. Students who won medals in national games rewarded. Class 10 exams commences in Jammu and Kashmir with COVID-19 safety measures. Allow local train to travel for teachers, Maharashtra government to railways. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where you get to watch the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Balaji reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are. The West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on Wednesday declared there will be no examinations this academic session for students of classes 10 and 12. Due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic situation, the State Education Department has decided that students currently studying in class 10 and 12 will not write their examinations for the academic session 2020-21. She said in the press briefing they'll be allowed to just pass. Despite the announcement of school reopening of students of classes 11 and 12 on November 23rd in the state, Education Minister Varsha Gaikwad said that owing to the COVID experience, e-learning will continue not just the near future but also to measure to ensure that education remains uninterrupted. She added that the Education Department will provide digital content and host live sessions even after schools are come back to normal. The Gujarat government on Wednesday decided to reopen higher and higher secondary schools and colleges in the state from November 23rd with strict adherence to COVID-19 guidelines. There has been no decision on reopening to primary schools. The government said it will analyze the feedback on implementation on Wednesday's decision and then decide. Education Minister Bhupendra Singh Chaudhary said though attendance of the students will not be compulsory, schools and colleges will be obtain written consents from parents, a form provided by the government. Haryana's government school witnessed 34% attendance on Wednesday, just a week after reopening of schools for the students of classes 9 and 12. Schools in Mahendragarh and Rewari districts saw the most positive response with the attendance of 49% and 46% respectively. Gurugram had the lowest attendance in the state with just 23% as told by the officials of the school education department. Disturbing images of wounded child and a pen and a pencil lying on a pool of blood are being circulated on social media, claiming that these were caused by the recent blast by a religious school in Peshawar, Pakistan. The bomb attack on October 27th had killed 7 students and wounded many. Messages are circulating on Facebook have linked with the images of the blast with the hashtag Peshawar attack. The 6 students who won medals in the 64th National School Games that was organized by the School Game Federation of India were distributed with 10.5 lakhs by the Nilgiris collector J. Innocent Divya. She said that Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palaniswamy had on 28th October announced encouragement prizes for the winners in the National School Games. The board examination for class 10 conducted by the Jammu and Kashmir State Board of School Education began on Wednesday with an implementation of COVID safety measures as reported by the officials. 74,858 students appeared in the exams from Kashmir Valley while another 32,000 sat for the exams in the winter zones of Jammu. The state government has sent a request to the railways to allow the travel of teachers and school staff by local trains. This move was made by the Maharashtra Education Department after 50% attendance was mandatory for teachers and non-teaching staffs in the school. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website which is www.teen.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.